Vote for me, bitches. I am the best. You do not like me, get over yourself.
No. Vote for me. I am the best. She's just a fat cow.
Well, if you are calling each other, I must be the best.
Shut the hell up, Obama. Don't tell him to shut up, cow.
Yes, do not tell him to shut up or I will be ripping so hair of your head.
So will I. I am not afraid to cut some skin of your ugly face.
I know. I will kick her face in. Stupid cow.
Let us just get on with this. Just shut up now. And get on with this. What is your number, Obama?